Welcome to the second part of fractions. We are going to learn fractions as a part of collection. So dear students, what can you see here? We see 8 eggs. So this is the collection of 8 eggs. Divide this collection into 2 equal parts. I will use this scale to divide this collection. Now each of these parts will have 4 eggs. So we can say half of 8 is 4. So each has 4 means this is divided into 2 equal parts. The fraction is 1 by 2 for each. This is 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2. So half of 8 is 4. What is the 3/4 of this collection? So to find the 3/4, we have to divide these eggs into 4 groups. We can clearly see if you divide them vertically, there are already 4 groups. So 3/4 means 1, 2, 3 out of 4 groups. So out of 4 groups you can take 3 parts out and that becomes the 3/4 of this collection. So if we count the 3/4 of this collection, it will be 2, 4, 6. 3/4 of 8 is 6. I have a Cadbury chocolate. The chocolate is really very big. Let me open it and see. This collection of chocolate has 10 equal parts. What is the half of this collection? So we know half is 1 by 2. So we have to divide this chocolate into 2 equal halves. So half of 10 is 5. Can you see pav buns here? What is the 2/3 of this collection? What do you mean by 2/3? 2 in the numerator, 3 in the denominator, which means out of 3 parts, 2 should be highlighted. So to do that, we have to divide these buns into 3 equal parts. So these 6 buns are divided into 3 equal parts, and out of which 2 parts are kept separate. So these become 2/3 of the entire collection. So 2/3 of 6 means 4. If this is the 2/3 of 6, what will be the half of 6? 6 buns, divide them in 2 equal parts. So it is divided into 2 equal parts. Each part is a half. So half of 6 is 3. Today I went to the market and bought these onions. This morning my neighbor came and asked me the 5/11 of these onions. Can you tell me how many onions should I give her? It is 5 out of 11. If you see properly here, there are 11 onions altogether. Out of this, if I take away or take out 5, this becomes 5/11 and 6/11 will remain. So this can be represented by 5 by 11 and read as 5/11. Remaining onions can be represented by 6 by 11 or read as 6/11. Manohar sells bananas in his shop. There are 16 bananas of equal size in the tray. He weighs half a kg bananas and gets 5 bananas. Can you tell what part of bananas does he get? 5 out of 16 or 5/16 of the bananas. So here 16 is the total and 5 is the number of bananas taken. There are 40 bindis here with me. What is 4/10 of 40? How to find 4/10 of 40? What do you mean by 4/10? 4/10 is written as 4 by 10, which means 4 out of 10 equal parts. So, these 40 bindis, we have to divide them in 10 groups. Dividing 40 bindis in 10 groups, in each group we will get 4 bindis. You can see clearly there are 10 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 groups. Each group there are 4 bindis. So 4 out of 10 means take 1, 2, 3 and 4 groups out of these 10. So this is the 4/10 of 40, which is nothing but 16. 16. You can now see that the same bindis are arranged in a different way. Totally there are 36 bindis and they are arranged in a group of 6. Each group has 6 bindis again. So now let's see what is 2/6 of 36. 2/6 is nothing but 2 by 6. Out of 6 equal groups, if you separate 2, you are going to get 2/6. So this is 2/6 of 36, which is 12. With the same bindis, if we find what is 5/6 of 36. Out of 6 equal groups, take out 5. So this is 5/6, which is equal to 30. Now let us see fraction as a part of the group. This is how Hari arranges sweets in his shop. What are the sweets available in Hari's sweet shop? We can see Mysore Paks, Chaklis and Son Papdis. So on what part did he arrange the Mysore Paks? It is 1/3 of the part. Now the total area is for arranging of sweets, and in that 1/3 out of 3 parts, 1 part he has reserved for the Mysore Paks. So he wants to sell 3/12 of these Mysore Paks to his friend Viju. So how many Mysore Paks does Viju get? 3/12 means nothing but 3 out of 12 Mysore Paks. So Viju is going to get 3 Mysore Paks. This is the collection of chocolates that I had. Now tell me which chocolate is kept in the largest area. So you can see more of just jelly chocolates. What part is it? Is it 2 by 3 or 2 by 6? Since all the chocolates are kept in the box which are equally divided, the part of the chocolate becomes 2 by 6, and each part of the chocolate is 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6 and 1 by 6, or 1/6. Since these are kept in 2 boxes, their fraction becomes 2/6. This is how the biscuits were arranged in a bakery. So, how many types of biscuits are available in the bakery? We can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 types of biscuits available in the bakery, and all the biscuits are arranged in equal parts. What part of the area is used to keep Parle-G biscuits? It is 1 out of 8 parts. So it is 1/8 part of the area is used to keep Parle-G biscuits. Now tell me, what part of the area is used to keep the Good Day biscuits? It is 1 and 2 out of 8. That is 2/8 of the area is used to keep Good Day biscuits. So with this activity, we conclude that fraction is a part of a collection in a group. So this is how we can relate fractions in our daily life.